Buying a foreclosed property from the Bank of Commerce or BOC can be a great way to secure real estate at a good price. However, the process takes time, guidance, and requires proper preparation. Getting proper guidance from an experienced real estate agent will help you navigate the whole process smoothly. I'm not only a real estate broker and consultant, but also a real estate investor. So my husband and I, we like to hunt around for good deals, and that includes foreclosed properties. Here's a step-by-step guide on how we acquired this BOC foreclosed property, and this is based on actual experience from buying this property ourselves. I'm also helping my clients with their purchase as well. Step 1, submit the requirements to BOC Manila. So hard copies of the originally duly accomplished documents must be submitted, such as the purchase proposal form along with the required documents. Make sure everything is complete, all in hard copy to avoid delays. Send these to BOC head office in Manila inside an envelope with the label Bids and Awards Committee. Bank Property Bid. Step number 2, wait for notice of approval. So once your documents are received, BOC will evaluate your application. This stage usually takes 2 to 3 months, which is a while. The timeline will actually depend on the bank. We've acquired foreclosed property before through PS Bank, and the approval only took a couple of days. But with BOC, it takes a bit longer, so you'll just have to be more patient. When approved, you will receive a formal notice from the bank. The third step is to pay the down payment. So after receiving approval, you will be asked to proceed to your nearest BOC branch to pay for the down payment, which is 20% of the total contract price plus other taxes and fees. So we filled up a special form for the payment and deposited the needed amount. Then we scanned the proof of payment and emailed it to ROPA representative. This step typically needs to be completed within 3 to 5 days after receiving the notice of approval. The fourth step is to sign the deed of conditional sale. BOC will mail a hard copy of the deed of conditional sale to your chosen branch of BOC for your signature. We signed around 8 copies and had them notarized. After signing, we submitted the notarized copy to the nearest BOC branch, which then mailed them to BOC Manila for the bank's signature. Once completed, the bank will mail back the notarized copy to you for your file. This step formalizes your purchase. Now, what are the financing options available for foreclosed properties? So usually, foreclosed properties are open to either cash payments or bank financing. If you prefer bank financing, then you will only need to come up with 20% down payment, while 80% can be financed by the bank. Another perk with buying a foreclosed property is instead of the capital gains tax at 6%, what needs to be paid is the EWT, which will be shouldered by the bank. So as the buyer, you'll only have to shoulder the documentary stamps tax. Instead of 7.5%, it's now down to 1.5% for BIR payment. If you go through the bank financing route, then it's best to apply for a home loan directly with Bank of Commerce, preferably with pre-approval. This avoids delays in releasing the loan once the title is ready. Once the title reaches the Registry of Deeds or ROD, loan release will take about 2 to 3 months. So with other banks, you may also choose to finance through other banks. However, this process is longer since they will require the transfer title before releasing the loan to BOC. So I wouldn't really recommend this because you will have to go through in-house financing and the rates are quite high. Title transfer usually takes between 6 to 12 months depending on the service provider. So during this waiting period, as I mentioned, you will need to go through in-house financing at BOC, which is about 10% per annum for a 5-year term. So higher interest rate, but shorter term. We initially wanted to get a loan from our main bank, which is BPI, but then we found out that we would have to go through in-house financing, potentially for 6 to 12 months, so we opted to apply for a loan at BOC instead. So key takeaways for this whole transaction is that preparation is crucial. It's important to submit the completed documents like the purchase proposal form and all the requirements in hard copy. Expect delays because approval alone takes 2 to 3 months. Choose your financing wisely. A loan with BOC is generally faster and cheaper in the long run compared to going through bank financing. Unless, of course, if you want to pay in cash. And it's important to plan your cash flow. Be ready for the down payments and possible in-house amortizations while waiting for loan release. Also, important things to remember, prices and availability of the properties of BOC are subject to change without prior notice, so make sure to contact your preferred broker, or me, for an updated inventory, and all sales are on an as-is, where-is basis. The bank reserves the right to accept, also, or deny any offer as it deems necessary. If you're planning to acquire a BOC foreclosed property and want guidance through the process, feel free to reach out to me. I can assist you step by step to make sure everything is handled smoothly.